Tired of wasting time in the kitchen? Today we're showing you Amazon's smartest kitchen gadgets designed to save you time, money, and effort without sacrificing style. From clever organizers to multi-use cooking tools, these game-changing finds will transform the way you cook and entertain. Let's dive into the must-have gadgets you didn't know you needed. This versatile serving tray with a secure lid and handle keeps snacks fresh, organized, and easy to carry for any occasion. Its transparent design makes it simple to see what's inside. Whether you're packing fruits, nuts, or candies for a picnic or assembling a stylish charcuterie board, portable and lightweight, it's the perfect companion for parties, road trips, or casual snacking on the go. This smokeless indoor grill brings the taste of outdoor barbecues straight into your kitchen with versatile options to grill, roast, or even fry your favorite meals. Its rapid-heating non-stick plate delivers juicy steaks, crisp veggies, and melted cheese in minutes, perfect for date nights, family gatherings, or solo cooking. With included raclette pans, it's easy to prepare healthy, low-fat meals while enjoying interactive dining with friends and loved ones. Designed with a split dishwasher-safe grill plate, cleanup is effortless, saving both time and money after every meal. This ice shaver instantly transforms ordinary ice cubes into fluffy, snow-like ice, perfect for snow cones, slushies, margaritas, and fun party drinks. Built with durable 18/8 stainless steel blades, it delivers fast, efficient crushing that lasts for years without rusting. The manual hand-crank design makes it portable and easy to use anywhere, no electricity required, just fresh icy treats on demand. With the included silicone ice cube tray, you'll always have perfectly sized ice blocks ready for every celebration. This 3-in-1 spiral slicer turns everyday vegetables into zoodles, curly fries, or crisp slaws with just a quick press and twist. Its one-wheel blade selector lets you switch between fine, medium, or flat cuts instantly, no disassembly required. Designed with vertical pressure mechanics, it uses 40% less effort than traditional spiralizers, giving you smooth, precise cuts in seconds. Built with durable stainless steel blades and a clear BPA-free bowl, it's dishwasher-safe, compact, and perfect for saving time on healthy meal prep. This 6-in-1 electric egg cooker makes breakfast faster, easier, and healthier by cooking eggs exactly how you like them: hard-boiled, poached, scrambled, fried, or even fluffy omelets. With the capacity to prepare up to 9 hard-boiled eggs, 4 poached eggs, or 4 egg bites in minutes, it's the perfect solution for families and busy mornings. Its built-in non-stick skillet lets you whip up sausage, eggs, or omelets with zero mess, while the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Complete with a water measuring cup for perfect results every time, this compact cooker saves time, money, and stress in the kitchen. This oversized stainless steel air fryer basket transforms your oven into a healthier, time-saving cooking machine for the whole family. Its elevated mesh design ensures 360 degrees heat circulation, delivering crispy fries, pizzas, and chicken without excess oil or the need to flip. The included tray catches grease and crumbs, keeping your oven clean while making cooking and reheating effortless. Built for durability with dishwasher-safe parts and bonus parchment papers, it's the smart way to cook more food faster and with less mess. These smart food clips seal your snack bags while doubling as a pour spout, making it easy to serve chips, popcorn, or candy without the mess. Crafted from durable, high-quality PP material, they're built to last and add both function and style to your kitchen. The flip-top lid design means you can pour directly from the bag, no unsealing or transferring required. Compact, reusable, and space-saving, these clips keep your pantry organized while saving you time and reducing waste. This elegant ceramic oil dispenser keeps your cooking oils fresher for longer with its opaque, lead-free design that protects against light. Featuring a non-drip gold spout with a tight rubber seal, it prevents messy spills while making every pour smooth and controlled. The automatic stainless steel spout opens as you tilt and closes upright, reducing air contact and keeping your kitchen clean. Perfect for oils, vinegar, or syrups, this stylish set of 2 doubles as a functional tool and a beautiful gift for any kitchen. This bamboo cutting board set comes with 3 different sizes to handle all your kitchen prep, from slicing fruit to chopping vegetables and carving meat. The extra-large board features built-in compartments, letting you sort seasonings or toppings without dirtying extra bowls. Designed with thick, durable bamboo and deep juice grooves, it keeps your counters clean and resists wear for long-lasting use. Stylish enough to double as a serving platter, this set is both practical for daily cooking and thoughtful as a gift. This pull-out dish rack doubles as a drying and storage solution, complete with a built-in drip tray that keeps cabinets clean and organized. Its compact, slide-out design fits standard frameless cabinets and holds up to 8 plates, 6 mugs, and utensils, perfect for small kitchens. Built from heavy-duty stainless steel with a smooth, noise-free rail system, it can handle up to 22 pounds with ease. With quick, tool-free installation using strong 3M adhesive, it saves time, maximizes space, and keeps your kitchen clutter-free. This dual-pump soap dispenser keeps your kitchen neat by storing both dish soap and hand soap in one sleek, BPA-free design. With a built-in sponge holder, it eliminates clutter and ensures your cleaning essentials are always within reach. Its leak-proof detachable tray keeps countertops dry while making cleaning quick and effortless. Stylish, compact, and practical, this 3-in-1 dispenser saves time and space while adding modern convenience to any sink area. This pot lid organizer saves cabinet space and keeps your kitchen clutter-free by securely holding lids right where you need them. Its deep U-shaped grooves and angled base lock lids in place, preventing slipping even when cabinets close hard. Easy to install with adhesive or screws, it works on smooth or textured surfaces for versatile storage. Built from sturdy, anti-warping material, each rack supports up to 22 pounds, transforming messy lid piles into a neat and functional space.